Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by In The Money Stocks. Today is January 17, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, I've been getting a lot of emails about one of the most important and most popular energy stocks in the world, ExxonMobil. And a lot of traders are saying, Nick, is this a buy area here? Can we own it? It filled a gap right here. And the answer is no. ExxonMobil, if you ask me, is setting up to go lower. It wants one more leg down. But I will show you where you can get involved in this equity. And that level is going to be around the 250, 82.75 level, and it's going to be right down here. And let me just show you how I derived this level. So if you take a look at a daily chart, you're going to notice a pivot low was put in September, late September 2016. That low is around 82.25. You had a higher low put in around 82.75. That's what the stock wants to do. It wants to get down to around 83 bucks or pierce it, and that's where you can look to get long the stock for quite a while. I think that's going to be a very, very good buying opportunity. Let's fast forward and move over to a weekly chart. You get a better image, better perspective of it. You'll see how the stock came down here. This is where it put in a low. This is where it found support. Also, what you're going to notice back here, you had some pivots, and this is going to be a pretty good area in the near term. So if you're looking to get into ExxonMobil, you can get this lower, probably about $4 cheaper. Let it fall down to this $83 area. This is where you want to get involved in the stock. And again, if you want to take that trade, basically what you're going to do is you're going to put a stop really right below, say, this little pivot area right around $81. If you want to be a little bit more aggressive, you put a stop below $80, use a weekly chart close, and your upside potential in this thing is probably back up to 90, possibly even 95 bucks. So that's going to be a real good risk-reward play. So again, if you want to look to get into ExxonMobil, in my opinion, it's going to be down around 83 bucks. Right now, when you look at the daily chart, this is setting up in what we call a weak technical position. It's below all the moving averages. It's also inside the red candle going back to the 10th of January. So that is setting up for another weak move down. Now this week it may get a little bit of an uptick. Doesn't mean it can't go up a little bit from here. This is options expiration. A lot of games will be played by the institutional investors, but the reality of it is this is still setting up in a weak chart formation to make another move lower. So again, if you want to trade Exxon alongside it with me, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You'll get all of our chart setups. You'll get all of our cycle work. You'll get all of our content. Plus, you'll receive our No Hype Live broadcasts, which allow you to come over, ask us questions about anything market related. We'll cover it on the charts, and you get to ask those questions live. We hold those conferences on Thursdays and Sunday evenings. So with that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.